Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an OD but goodie, welcome back. So you guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing with my very first beauty fridge. I almost forgot what it was called, but my very first beauty fridge. I've always wanted a beauty fridge, and I actually just recently got one from Ulta during the 21 days of beauty sale for a very bomb deal. So in today's video, I'll be doing a good old unboxing, kind of like sort of review on this fridge. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started into this good old video, okay? But before we get started to this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below. Subscribe to the Tam Kam fam. It's wonderful here. It's free 99. Support assists. And let's go ahead and get started to this good old unboxing and review, okay? So like I said, I actually purchased my very first beauty fridge from Ulta. Currently, depending on what time I actually post this video, currently they have a 21 days of beauty sale, which is 21 days that they have different sales for cosmetic products, beauty products, hair products, anything related to beauty, which is the whole store. So each day they have a sale of different items, and one day they actually had a sale of a beauty fridge. Now, one thing I do love about the whole Ulta 21 days of beauty is the fact that each and every single day for the whole 21 days, you actually get to see what products will be on sale before the actual day comes. So I already knew that they was going to have this beauty fridge on sale, so I kept my eye on it the day before, and that midnight I actually purchased the fridge because I just felt in my heart that it would be sold out, which by the time that I woke up the morning of, it was sold out, okay? It was out of stock, and I'm so glad that I stayed up till 12 o'clock my time to purchase the fridge, okay? So let's get into the fridge. So the fridge that I got here, it is called the Finishing Touch Flawless Beauty Fridge, and it is right here in the color white. Now this fridge actually retails for $59.99 on Ulta.com, and it was 50% off during this 21 days of beauty, so it was only $29.99, $30, which is bomb.com for a fridge. First of all, it's a little small compact fridge. It's my very first fridge, so I just wanted to see how I would like it. So it is recommended for cooling creams, serums, toners, mists, sheet masks, facial rollers, and natural organic products. It is in the color white. And so yeah, so cooling skincare products help prevent premature aging, oxidation, and discoloration. Cooling skincare products help calm the skin and leave you feeling rejuvenated, which is bomb. Cooling beauty tools can leave your skin feeling fresher, and chilled products help soothe redness and calm inflamed, tired skin. Now, one real reason why I actually bought a beauty fridge is because I actually heard that, you know, putting your products in the fridge actually help prolong the shelf life of your products, which, you know, since I'm like so into skincare lately, trying to get this whole mask need situation together, I want my products to last long because, you know, I have so many products, and sometimes we buy so many products, it's no way that we're going to be able to finish this specific tube in 6 months, this one in 3 months, and everything else. So I do want to actually preserve them just a little bit longer, which is why I actually bought this skincare fridge, and plus it's just super cute and it was on sale. Okay, so let's go ahead and go unbox this good old fridge and see what it is looking like, because I've been waiting to unbox this bad boy for you guys and for me. Okay, so this is what my little fridge looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on camera so we can actually get a better view of it and plug it in and all of that good jazz. So this is the skincare fridge up on my dresser right now. I actually just want to leave it in my room and not in the bathroom because I do a lot of my skincare routines in my room, as far as like, you know, my creams and everything, but I do my facial washes obviously in the bathroom. So I'm gonna keep this into my room for now until I decide what to do. So the setup was pretty easy. In the back of here, it came with a cord. You just put one end of the cord here, and then you plug up the other end into an outlet, and then you just flick it on, which I did already. The sound is not loud at all. It's very subtle, which I like, so it doesn't disturb me in my sleep. Now when you open it up, it actually has one drawer here for your facial mask, and it's actually starting to feel pretty cool. This drawer is like for your bigger bottles of skincare products, and then this is for like maybe like your jars. You can actually remove this drawer, which I like if you have like super duper tall products. but I think I'm going to leave this here for now. It actually comes with some nice stickers that you can actually add onto your fridge to decorate and everything like that. But I'm not going to do that right now because I don't know, I just feel like that might look a little childish. So let's go ahead and talk about the whole dimensions of this fridge. So this fridge is 11.25 inches in length. It is 8 inches in width, and then it's also 11.56 inches in height. Okay, it does have the detachable cord and it weighs about 4 pounds. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my beauty products in here, and just to see how much stuff can actually just be held into this cute beauty fridge. Okay, so let's see. So I filled up the fridge to the best of my ability. Now, one con that I do not like about this fridge, I must say, is the fact that they do not hold all type of sizes of face mask. Hence this one, my Juice Up Pumpkin Mask by The Lab. It is too big to sit in here, like too wide. So my other mask can fit in here with no problem, and I can fit probably, let me see. I can fit up to 4. Ooh, it's a little lightweight, Jesus. Okay, so I can fit up to 5 masks in here, but maybe not. Let's see here. Yeah, no, that's too many. Okay, so I can fit up to, yeah, so I can fit up to 5 masks in here, and plus this facial pads up in here just because it's little. Now, because of the shelf, like I said, you can remove this shelf if you do want to have like taller items. Now, this only item that was just a little bit tight to fit in here was my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Toner. But it still was able to fit in there. Now, I can't fit like my Camille Rose Toner because it's way too tall, but if I did want to put it in here, I could just remove this. But then I also still like to have this shelf for my creams and eye stuff. So there's only one con I don't, well, some cons I don't like about this fridge is because it's kind of too small. And I do have a good bit of products, but it is a nice starter fridge for me until I do want to expand. But if I do probably like move some things around, I can probably just remove this shelf and still have all these products plus a little bit more if I stack them on top of each other. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, organize a little bit later off camera to see, you know, how I can rearrange everything. But I just really wish it was just a little bit wider. But this is definitely a good fridge for anyone that is starting up their skincare collection or regimen. I just have something nice and neat. And also, I was a little bit nervous with this top area just because I do have a couple of face masks that I do want to keep cool in here and some eye creams. So I have 3 up here, and then this Palmer's one is sticking out just a little bit, but I was still able to close it if I actually do press onto it. But if I just swing it like this, it doesn't really close all the way. But it closes if I actually just push it in. So I actually like this fridge. I'm going to see how well, you know, it keeps up. And then, you know, of course, I'm going to come back with a up-to-date review. But I actually do really love this fridge as a starter fridge for me, you know, since this is my beginning stage with my skincare stuff. But definitely, if you are starting off your skincare routine, I would highly suggest getting this fridge. It was only $30 at the sale, but $60, you know, regular price. If you can find one that's on sale, definitely get it. Or if you can't find, you know, something similar, definitely get it. I feel like it's very, very cute to have. I feel like it's really, really nice just to have, you know, cool products on your skin while you're doing your skincare routine. Okay, so I definitely would highly recommend this bad boy. Super duper cute. I like it. So yeah guys, so that completes my entire unboxing and slight review of my new beauty fridge, mini beauty fridge by Flawless, I believe that's what it's called, that I purchased from Ulta. So I hope you guys actually did enjoy this good old video, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, support a sis. Don't forget to hit that red button down below, join the Tam Kam fam, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye guys.